P-BANDAI, P-BANDAI, P-BANDAI. We can all agree that P-BANDAI kits are quite rare at times, because they are made limited and they are printed once in a blue moon, And because of that, they are quite pricey. But no, not just pricey, they are fucking overpriced most of the time. For example, the Slugger's Gym. This kit right here, cost about 2,000 pesos here in the Philippines. And arguably, you don't really get a lot, don't get a lot of things inside of it. You get the gym, the shield, two beam sabers, two guns, and that's pretty much it. For 2,000 pesos, you get a reprinted, recolored gym, with the water slide decal or something. That's just, like compared to this kit is like what, 1,100? This fucker, and you get a lot, you get a side cannon, you get a rocket pod, but not just one, you get two. You get two cannons, two rocket pods, two beam sabers, two guns, a shield, and a bazooka. For the price, you get a lot more plastic here. Yes, the sticker is just a sticker, they are not water slide decals, but who fucking cares? This thing rocks. That's why, I swear to my life that I'll never buy P-BANDAI. Motherfucker! So here's the Zigok straight build, you know, no panel lining, no whatsoever. So yeah, this is a pretty good kit, you know, it's aesthetically pleasing. The arms are not wobbly. The same thing can't be said with the foot though. And yeah, you know, you also have a great ab crunch, you know, so that's that. So yeah, I also like that there's a choice to equip the normal hands if you just want the normal Zigok or the normal Shars Zigok. And the articulations are also glorious, like you can sit down and stuff. So yeah, I'm happy with this kit, you know, this is as my first P-BANDAI, I am not disappointed. And the price of this kit is not that far from the Shars Zigok anyway, so you know, that's a plus I guess. So yeah, nice kit, thumbs up, double thumbs up for me. So yeah, I might buy more P-BANDAIs after this. Anyways, the review of this kit will be uploaded next week, and I will see you all there. And as always, thank you all for watching, and see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Goodbye.